Welcome to the section 6, running my application. In this section, we are going to take a look at running a Linux web application and a Windows web application. Running a Linux web application. So I have a Linux web application here. I'd like to show you. Let's go to command line. So I have a Java application here. I have a composer. Docker-compose. I'd like to show you the composer. So we are running the version 3. We have the services web and database. We have a Java Enterprise Edition application. And we are using Couchbase as a database. This application exposes web service. So it exposes a REST service. And it has the idea of an airline. So you can get the airlines, you can get airline by ID, you can insert a new airline, so you have few services that you can run. So let's get this app, so docker-compose app -d. It will create our Java, DB, and web application. Good. One important point for Java applications is Java application takes a time to start because of the bootstrap. In the meantime, I can show you when we access localhost 8080. We can see it's a Wildfly. It's a JBoss project. Just one example. And then we can see the application is starting. The thread pool. I think the application is ready. We can keep open. Yeah, so the application is started. So first of all, I would like to get the list of all airlines. Yeah, but this is a little bit big, so let's close this. Let's do the same command here. Yes, so we have here a list of companies, airlines. So we have country United States, you have some companies here, you have the ID of the company. And then another thing that we can do in our application is we can get one airline by ID. This is one example. Another example, we can create a new airline. Yes, it was created, airline, and we can update this airline that we created. So it's just simple services, but this is the services that you can use Docker. So you have your API, you want to run this API on a Docker. So this is a simple way. So you can expose your API using Docker. And then, for example, I can exclude my one airline, and I can, again, just show all the like this. I want just the airlines. Then I have all the airlines again. So when do I need to use this? You can expose a security service. For example, you have a service that handles authentication or authorization in your company, or you have a service that subscribes a user in a newsletter. You have a lot of examples where you can apply this usage on Docker.